A JSON Web Token is a compact, self-contained, and digitally signed token that is used to transmit information between parties. Beyond its encryption method, what makes it so popular is the use of the JSON format, which is way more compact than XML, for example, and generally much easier to use for the web, as JSON parsers are actually quite common in most programming languages. A JSON Web Token is composed of three parts: the header, the payload, and the signature, where each part is separated by a dot character. The header is a base64 URL encoded object consisting of two fields, the type of the token and the signing algorithm. The payload is also a base64 URL encoded object containing pieces of information about an entity, which is usually a user, and additional data called claims that can be of three types. Register claims are non-mandatory predefined claims that can be specified to ensure the interoperability with third-party or external applications, such as the issuer of the token or its expiration time. Public claims are usually generic, non-sensitive information, such as a user's full name or email address, and private claims are usually application-specific and sensitive information, such as an internal user identifier. Finally, the signature is created by using a combination of the algorithm specified in the header, a secret value, and the dot concatenated value of the encoded header and payload. The most popular package for manipulating JSON Web Tokens in Node is called JSON Web Token. To generate or sign a new JSON Web Token, we can use the top-level sign method exported by the module, which takes three arguments: a payload, which is the data we want to send to the client, a secret or private key, which is either a string of characters or a PEM file, and a non-mandatory option object, which contains additional or metadata such as the algorithm, the expiration date, or the issuer of the token. Here's, for example, what the JSON Web Token containing the following payload object would look like once generated. Now, to decode a JSON Web Token, even though we won't be doing that in this project, we can use the verify method exported by the module that also takes three arguments: a token, which is a JSON Web Token to decode, a secret or public key, which is either a string of character or a PEM file, and a non-mandatory options object to perform additional token verification. Here is, for example, what the payload of the JSON Web Token we previously generated would look like once decoded.